Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, we will see how to add GST in WooCommerce website. So for this, we will go into the dashboard and hover over the WooCommerce and click into the setting. Here we will scroll down and enable the text and rate and click on Save Changes. Now here you can see the text tab, click on it. Above you can see the standard rate, click on it. Here we will add insert row. Now we will add the country code. So I'm selecting India. If you have to add the GST for any particular state, then you can add the state code and zip code. But if you want the GST all over the country, then you don't have to add the state code and zip code. Here we will add the rate, so 18%. Text name will be GST, priority will be 1, and click on Save Changes. Now we will refresh the page. Here you can see that GST added. So like this, here you can add the text rate percentage, country code, state code, zip code as per you want, and then click on Save Changes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay healthy, enjoy life.